Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me a logo. I've erased everything that they wanted me to. They need to just figure out how to do this around this star with a 1/2 inch line and that star kind of in the middle equally. This is a pretty easy process. Let's just move this out of the way. And let's take a circle. Doesn't really matter what size. We'll make it 15 inches. Well, I should have had my ratio locked. If you lock your ratio, you only have to type in the one number. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. But then I'm going to make that line a 1/2 inch line. I'm going to go to Object and convert the outline to an object. I'm going to go left click, right click, and now I've got two lines. I need to select them all and break the curve apart. Now these two circles are independent of each other. I could have done all this with the contour tool, but this is just another way. So we're going to take that outside line and go to Effect, Contour. We're going to contour to the inside 1/4 inch. And what that did, that gave us a line in the middle of that circle. We're going to select everything and we're going to go to Object and break the three objects apart. And then you just need to decide what size star you want. We're going to make it about that big. We're going to hit P. Now we're going to contour to the outside 0.125. And that's going to give us a bigger star. Now it's in the center of the page, so we can grab it and hold down start moving it first. And then hold down the control button, and we're going to get it right to that line. And we'll zoom in here, and if you grab that top node, it'll click right to that line. And it all depends whether if you want the bottom in the center or the top in the center. I'm going to go with the top in the center. We're going to hit the plus key on the keyboard, start moving it, and then hold down your control button, and then zoom in. We ought to be able to just grab it while holding down the control button and just move it where it locks on that node. And then we're going to take that inside line and remove it. Now we're going to set our nudge factor on something bigger than 17 inches. Let's go 18. We're going to take the Smart Fill tool. We're going to fill that in. We're going to nudge out of the way, nudge out of the way. And now we can get rid of these circles. And what that does, we don't have to break the contour apart. We can just fill in the inner contour with a star and then nudge it over and nudge it over. And there you have a star and a line. And like I said, and it doesn't look like I'm very much in the middle on that one. But that's what they're wanting. And you could do that all the way around. You could have as many stars as you wanted to. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.